When searching for the right kitchen contractor, keep these important things in mind. A skilled kitchen specialist will advise you best on the latest products and materials available for your project, along with the available color choices of those materials. The right professional kitchen contractor will also provide you with an itemized quote so you know exactly what products and services they plan to provide for your job. The following are 3 vital tips to help you find a kitchen contractor that's right for you. 1. Ask the contractor about the quality of the products they'll use and if you could see a portfolio of recent work they've completed. 2. Make sure the kitchen contractor has the proper insurance in place before starting your job. 3. Always ask if they have online testimonials or positive reviews they could direct you to. There's more you should know about choosing the right kitchen contractor. The information we provide could save you time and money. Just visit our website or call us today.